you're experiencing low performance in GTA 5, there are several steps you can take to enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your game settings and improve performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Navigate to the graphics options in the settings menu and decrease settings like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help with performance issues. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 5. Upgrade hardware. If low performance persists, consider upgrading your hardware. Increasing RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to an SSD can significantly enhance game performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the performance of GTA 5. Enjoy your gaming experience.